Hey, you look excited.
I am. We're getting ready to install all new digital signage. But
But what?
honestly, there's a lot more to it than we realized. Like, how do we make sure we choose the right hardware for our indoor and outdoor environments?
Mm-hmm.
And we really need help with installation and configuration for video walls and mobile displays.
I hear you. It's a lot. That's why at CDW, we partner with you through the whole process. Hardware, software, deployment, and ongoing support.
Nice. Tell me more.
Of course. We'll start off by aligning on your communication strategy with assessments to define your audience and environment.
Makes sense?
Then we design complete solutions based on your requirements and budget.
Sounds awesome so far. What about installation?
We coordinate installation and configuration so everything works together.
We'll need that.
And we even provide lifecycle support as your system scales and evolves.
Okay, let's get started.
Amazing happens when your digital signage fits your message, your budget, and your environment.